You call it M10.
Yeah, it's the M10.
It's not the other M10 and M11.
No. It's in the Master series of NAD.
And the screen is how many inches here?
That's
Just to
I think it's 10-inch
10 inch.
7-inch screen.
It's a LCD IPS. Huh?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, and it's a part of the Master series of NAD.
Yeah.
But of course, for different kind of group of people.
Yeah. So the where the
Of course, YouTube.
yeah, they don't like. So this is a device M10. In euros, how much will be in euros this one?
Close to 3,000 euros.
3,000 euros.
2,999.
299. So it's in the great amplifier. Here you see the speaker connections.
Yeah, you have your speaker connections. You have your network cable, of course. HDMI out.
HDMI for
ARC, so you can see
television
on the screen back to you, on the back of you what's playing.
phonostage?
No phonostage.
No phonostage, okay, because you cannot mix digital streaming with analog.
Exactly.
And the chipset of the DAC is based on which chip? The DAC, the converter is it's Abre or?
Yeah, it's a Saber.
Saber.
Yeah.
And for the ARC, this HDMI, do you have any movie mode or
No,
just stereo?
Just stereo. Yeah.
Not any.
Yeah.
And the power, how many watts?
2 times 100 watts. But that's like the measurement of, like NAD does it.
Yes.
Yeah. So
This is
true power.
Class D amplification.
Yes, a Class D Encore.
Encore, yeah. It's a compact device.
Yeah, it's very compact.
And the menus are here. You can.
I will show you.
Show me. Adjust screens here.
If you use this one, you see all your inputs, and of course you can dedicate your inputs or disconnect the inputs, so you only see the inputs you need. Further on, you can rename the inputs. So and you can give it a different icon. So it's very easy for every member of the family to recognize which inputs you have.
It has direct lives for calibration, for room calibration.
Yeah, it has direct live, standard until 500 hertz, and you can have a subscription, a login from...
So the microphone will come with a subscription, or it's in the box?
It's in the box of there, I can show it to you. This is the standard mic.
So when you buy this M10, you receive the microphone for direct live. Huh?
Yeah.
So there is for tripod here.
Yeah, exactly.
And where you connect the microphone, the backside?
Via the USB, or on the backside. And then you have also
micro USB there. You can
exactly. And then you have also the calibration files for this.
You have
straight
it
away correct. Yeah, but you can also use, for instance, your laptop. And hook it up to your laptop
to extend
exactly.
more precise calibration.
Yeah, exactly. And
system info.
And you can use the application from Direct.
This is the application
this
to calibrate.
The application. It will find the product. You can choose the product. We can then make a selection. Let's say it's a chair, and then we go via this system, and we can do all the settings and the gains and stuff.
Straightforward, easy. So anybody can do it. You don't have to be audio engineering to apply this.
Exactly. You can do it in a standard, normal living room, family situation. Anyone can do it.
So do you have here Bluetooth? You have,
we have Bluetooth, of course. Yeah. Exactly.
Chromecast? Do you have Chromecast?
No, it's not Chromecast.
Not yet, or
no,
it's not gonna be included.
It's on the AirPlay 2 platform. So
from Canada, it's designed in Canada. Huh?
It's designed in Canada. Yeah,
in where? In Mississauga or in Toronto?
It's close to Toronto.
Close to Toronto. Very good. Okay. Blue Sound
operates the app and the firmware, of course,
of the device.
Of the devices.
And
here you see four zones. This is a zone, we call it the M10.
Yes.
Then we have another zone on a Blue OS, which is the preamp with the two main amplifiers. And then
another zone is this one.
This power node. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
So
and then we have a fourth one, same machine, which operates the headphone.
are they headphone amplifier? Or?
No, it's not a real headphone amplifier. This is the power node by Blue Sound. So you only hook up two speakers. But at the same token, you can also use the Bluetooth.
These headphones are blue.
It's now connected Bluetooth.
Bluetooth with
To your
so
hi-fi
You charge,
Yeah.
charge them here. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
a connection.
charging.
Yeah.
It's charging.
Yeah, I see. So
The
with
first carpet in the whole hotel, that looks interesting.
so this is
You're a fan of
M10.
carpets?
M10
Oh, I know that.
multi-zone with this because of the Blue OS.
Names for this product. And you can use this, of course, on every main amplifier you have. In this case, we used two stereo, which we bridged
For more power,
into
yeah.
mono blocks. Yes, just for more power. But you can also see this being used with, let's say, active loudspeakers, for instance. So there are many.
So M10 talks with this unit.
Yeah, exactly. It's in the same ecosystem.
In the same ecosystem
Yeah.
because of the interconnectivity of Blue
Yeah.
OS.
Blue OS, yeah.
2.0.
We are now at a 3 points.
3 points
Something.
yeah.
And with adjustable crossovers for the
Adjustable.
subwoofer.
Yeah,
But
exactly. Yeah. And what you can do, of course, if I play a piece of music here, I can say play through all the devices. Or we could move the music from here to another room.
very versatile.
It's very versatile. Yeah, it's very versatile. Yeah.